Hello, everyone over there at Alexandria Builders and Son. My name is Charles. Thank you for talking to my colleague Matt yesterday, and this is the video that he promised we would send you, giving you 3 free tips on how to optimize your website. And this is what we do. We help small businesses optimize their websites so that they can draw in traffic without having to rely on platforms like House or Angie's List, etc., Home Advisor, etc. Because um, here you'll get your own organic leads instead of fighting for leads and paying for more and more advertising. Once you build your own asset that you already own, you'll be able to attract uh, clients. Another reason I do this is because not many business owners have the time to actually invest, research, and find out how to do this by themselves. They know they need a website, but they don't know how to optimize it the best way possible. We know these days about 90% of adults use Google. For example, if I was looking for a custom home builder in New Jersey, I would type that keyword in, typical buyer intent keyword, and find a home builder this way. 70% of people stay on this front page, so it's important to be found here. And these 3 things I want to talk about will help you get to the front page and stay there. You can implement them yourself actually right now. So the 3 things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Content is everything on your front page. Now I can see that you only have one page, and it's basically an ad, a clickable link to House, to your profile on House. First thing I want to say, it's important to, even if it's just one page site, it's important to secure your site with Google. So content, like I was saying, is everything on your page, including all the pictures, all the text that's behind the pictures, what your pictures are saved as. And to optimize with Google, it's important to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of text on your page. So I'll definitely add more text to this landing page of yours. And when I talk about text, I mean authoritative text filled with these keywords that people use to search for your services. Now, if I search for custom home builder in New Jersey, I'm going to take one of your competitors here. Let's take Grant Home Builders and look at their site. This is your competitor, and they have tons of pictures. They're not that optimized, but at least they have more text, and you can actually tell what they're about. So I would definitely add more text to your front page. Text showing who you are, what you do, what locations you service, and also saturate it with the kind of keywords that people use to look for your services. Second thing I want to talk about is citations. Now back to the search. Citations have everything to do with this section of the search results called the map pack, where you see a map and 3 different businesses. To land here, to get to rank here, it's important to have many citations. Now, what citations are is anywhere on the internet in different directories where your name, address, and phone number appear, just the same way as they're saved in Google. The more citations you have, the more directories you're in, the higher you'll rank here. Directories like Yelp, LinkedIn, Better Business Bureau, etc. Angie's List, etc. The more directories you're in, the higher you'll rank in the map pack. The third thing I want to talk about is backlinks. Now, backlinks have to do with this organic section here. Now, the better and more backlinks you have, the more authoritative backlinks, the higher you will rank here, the higher your website will rank in Google, the more authoritative you'll seem to Google. Now, what are backlinks? If you think of the internet as a collection of web pages all linked together, a backlink is where there's a link on a different website pointing and directing traffic to your website. So, for example, if there's a builders associate New Jersey Builders Association, for example, if they write a blog and have your website linked there, that would count as an authoritative backlink. Not all backlinks are created equal. So, for example, if there's an ice cream shop in Philadelphia that has a blog and links to your website, Google will see that as more spammy because you guys have almost nothing to do with each other. There's a tool I use called Ahrefs, and I can analyze different websites. I took the liberty of putting your website in here. I can see you're not ranking for anything at all. I believe either it's a new website or just the fact that all you have is just one page. It's just a picture that's linked to house. Your competitors, the one we looked at before, Grant Homes, they have about 986 backlinks, and they also have many, many more keywords that they're ranking for. So it would be a matter of coming in here, finding their backlinks, and making sure that you also have the same kind of backlinks and even more backlinks and higher strength backlinks, as I was talking about. One last thing I want to just show you are the keywords that they rank for. Because these keywords, having these words on their website, draws in this, well, we can first see that there's a high volume of searches for these keywords. And they're drawing in quite a bit of traffic from these keywords. For example, Custom Home Builders New Jersey has 250 people looking for that every month. They get 36 people coming to their website just because they're in the second position. So if we improve on your backlinks, on your citations, and on your content, you begin to rank more and actually be able to take some of this traffic away simply by strengthening your website, your online asset that you already have, instead of paying for leads. So please take these tips and implement them. Use your website person or your SEO person to implement them. If you'd like to move fast and go sexy, my name is Charles Marine. My number is right here, over here, Warley Digital. You can reply to this email, and I'd love to talk about moving forward and perhaps partnering to help build your business through your already existing asset. Thank you.